assorted pastries and sweet things that maketh my fabulous community. Yeah, so we picked that one. That's a flagpole, and this is going to turn into some form of pennant structure. There's more to come here. So we've still got that 14K up there. You've had that little squeeze. There was another key moment off of that grind line that was begging it. It was classic. And this is just a bull-only market where you buy and you accumulate on those dip orders, and you watch for these fractal setups as we're getting here. So I scaled up strongly on the leverage accounts at this juncture again, after getting out of the 8,000 rev zone back to sort of middle revs so that I could go to sleep at about 4 this morning. And now we're back leaning hard. And that's your break. This is strong flagpole, and I'd be very surprised if it was the last. This is not going to be right on balance of probabilities quite highly. This is not going to be a sell-off straight back down candle. This is going to lead to continuation pennant structure and a push away from the grind. And then later when we rest, maybe as we approach, we come into the 13.5, which we've identified before, in the 14 for the reasons that you know. Then you might get a little bit of pushback and churn once we're through 14, and we'll re-meet up with our grind line somewhere higher up in the plane of things. But I hope you got a little bit long there, and you got a bit to lean on the market in and around again at the 12.8s. And if you've taken a quick another 400, 500 on big heavy weights, and hold your weighting. Don't be scared by what's going on. Okay, that's just a post-event check-in, and just to say stand 2 on this. Most of this is continuation structure. Continuation structure. This over here, like very flag-like, bull flag-like, let's be clear. Continuation structure. So the key thing is, don't do too much. Don't get too over-fascinated with the P&L. The chart is good. You stay long and you keep it quite close, but leave a little bit of wiggle room in case it got a bit cranky. But broadly, most of the volatility is upside. It's not thrashing downside. We had the 2 sell-offs here after the major move. So after each major move, it's kind of like a strong major move, target made. We took you in there at the 11.3s. Strong move, very strong move. Then you got to release some of the steam. You get the spike downs. That's when you buy on dips and you have crazy orders below. Then the structure, some of that cranky energy then gets shaken out in the wedge. You get a breakup, you get the bull flag, you get the reassertion, and then you start sitting on a grind, then you squeeze, and then we go again. Okay, that's kind of what's happened. Stay strong and stay in. Okay, catch up with you later. Bye.